The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZAC) has confirmed it is preparing to launch lifestyle audits targeting individuals with unexplained wealth, marking a significant escalation in the ongoing ZANU-PF war struggle. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda panguva ino chinokonzi Chiwenga panguva inoi aiwa otageta Chivhayo panguva inoi pachinokonzi Chivhayo Tagwirei panguva inoi voincludiwa in the crackdown. Iri kuno kunzi Chiwenga's forces now are kudeploywa from ZAC kuti ainvestigate aiwa mari dzana Chivhayo naTagwirei. Sanapenda mashoko kubuda nyogwa panguva inoi ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Patikuna the power struggle in the ruling party ZANU-PF is ongoing. The audits are set to focus on the country's so-called Bingas and Ganandas, a derisive term for flashy, often politically connected businessmen accused of amazing riches through shady dealings. Speaking to the Daily News, ZAC spokesperson Kindness Paradza said, "We will soon conduct lifestyle audits on all people with unaccounted assets and mysterious riches as part of ensuring transparency," said Paradza. The announcement follows unusually sharp rebukes by both President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Vice President Chiwenga, who have in recent weeks publicly condemned the culture of opulence and greed exhibited by certain individuals closely associated with the ruling party. Although no names were officially mentioned, ZANU-PF insiders say the net is tightening around a select group of high-profile businessmen, of whom have flaunted their wealth on social media and are known for their proximity to political power. According to senior party sources, Vice President Chiwenga is reportedly the force behind ZAC's sudden aggression. "This is Chiwenga's operation," said one source. "He wants to bring down some of the president's allies, especially those seen as being untouchable." Among those said to be in the firing line are controversial businessmen Wikino Chivhayo and the fuel magnate Tagwirei, both of whom have faced public scrutiny over their tender dues and apparent immunity from prosecution. However, many Zimbabweans remain skeptical. Previous anti-corruption campaigns have collapsed under political pressure or have been used selectively to settle scores. Whether ZAC's latest push will deliver genuine justice or will simply mark another round of factional warfare remains to be seen. What is certain is that the era of conspicuous consumption may be nearing a pause, at least for those on the wrong side, for the party's internal fight. Ndomashoko ari kubuda panguva ino chinokonzi our general will lead a crackdown yekubata vana Chivhayo naTagwirei. Pina comment section medu kuti dzimafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chete on the bell icon.